howdy, it's the Boss Buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy!
Chokecherry, it has a very yummy berry. It makes me feel so merry. If you cook it, you can eat it, boy. It is better than soy XD. Prunus Virginiana is for the pollinators, yummier than a banana. It blooms in the spring, and its beauty is more than a bling. It attracts bees and butterflies. Ooh, for them chokecherry is like your favorite brew. This plant blooms white, and if you plant this, you're a smart gardener. Yup, you heard that right. Ooh, chokecherry. It has a very yummy berry. It makes me feel so merry. If you cook it, you can eat it, boy. It is better than soy XD. This plant likes dry soil, and it makes your garden royal. This plant can grow tall, 20 feet. How sweet! So plant the chokecherry. It has a very yummy berry. It makes me feel so merry. If you cook it, boy, you can eat it. Ooh, it is better than soy XD. You can call it chokecherry or chokeberry. Without it, life for the pollinators would look scary. Subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment down below about why you like my channel so much.